What's up guys, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 17. A few things to know before this video starts. This is probably the only time you'll hear iOS 17 and jailbreak tutorial in the same sentence for a while, because the checkmate exploit still works on 4 iPad models. So Palera1n for iOS 17 only supports 4 iPad models. It doesn't work on anything else. The compatible iPads are the iPad 6th generation, the iPad 7th generation, the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2nd generation, and the iPad Pro 10.5-inch. Although you do need a computer to use this jailbreak, Palera1n is supported on most iOS versions, iOS 15 through iOS 17 because of checkmate. Also, use a USB Type-A to Lightning cable, as a USB-C to Lightning cable is known to cause issues. It's a good idea to use an Intel MacBook if you can. It should work on Apple Silicon, but there may be some issues. Just remember, Palera1n for iOS 17 only supports 4 iPad models. Only these iPads work, all supported devices are old, none of them are new, and there is no iPhone support for Palera1n iOS 17. With that out of the way, go to your Mac and open up Terminal, and once you do that, copy and paste the terminal command that is down below in the description, put in your password for your computer, and now it will start to install the Palera1n script. Once that's installed, we just have to navigate to where it's installed. So go to this location in Finder, and now we can see the Palera1n script is there. Double click it to open it, and now it's going to say waiting for devices. Now what we want to do is go ahead and connect our device via Lightning to USB Type-A to our computer. The iPad will enter recovery mode after it's connected. That's normal. After the device is in recovery mode, follow the prompt in Terminal to put your device into DFU mode. For some reason, when I tried to use my Mac Studio, it failed after I put my iPad into DFU mode, and I don't know why. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac, you're supposed to unplug and replug the iPad after checkmate appears in the logs, but that didn't work for me, and I kept troubleshooting it and trying to figure it out, and it wasn't working. But once I tried on my Intel MacBook Pro, it worked on the first try. And now it's going through the rest of the process, and we can see the checkmate Apple logo. Looks really cool, and it's booting, and congratulations. You're now jailbroken on iOS 17 on an old iPad. If you restart your device or it dies or anything like that, you'll have to run the script again on your computer to go back into a jailbroken state, but here we go. So now we can open the Palera1n app and download whatever package manager we want to install, so Cilio or Zebra. I'm going to install Cilio right now. It's downloading the base system, it's installing it. Now it will ask us to set a password, so an SSH password for your device. So the default password is Alpine, A-L-P-I-N-E, so I'm going to just type that in for this video. You can do whatever password you want, but for this video, I'm just going to type that in, and then we're going to tap on set, and then it says install completed. You may now close the app, and now there's Cilio, and there you go. You can now open up Cilio or Zebra and start installing jailbreak tweaks. If this is something that you want to play around with and you don't have an iPad yet, I would just consider looking at the iPad 6th generation or 7th generation. You probably can find them somewhat cheap, used on eBay, and that's a good way to get started. Anyway guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on, so that way you never miss out on a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.